Good morning, students. Continuation of chapter 5, that is community services. We have already discussed about community services in olden times and community services in modern times. Today we will discuss some exercises of this chapter. Let's proceed ahead. First exercise is tick the correct options. Students, you are given some sentences with options. You have to find out correct option of each questions. Now, first question is, who constructed the sarais in olden times? Again I repeat, who constructed the sarais in olden times? Options are king, ministers and pilgrims. And correct answer is kings. I have already explained to you that in olden times kings or emperors took up many projects for the benefit of common people, like helping the travelers, planting trees, digging wells, etc. Now coming question number 2. What is the technique of collecting, storing and using rainwater known as? Again I repeat, what is the technique of collecting, storing and using rainwater known as? Options are water harvesting, agriculture, irrigation. What is correct option? Correct option is water harvesting. Water harvesting is the technique of collecting, storing and using rainwater for irrigation, drinking and other purposes. It is practiced in olden times as well as modern time. Now coming question number 3. Where are kunds commonly found? Options are Assam, Tamil Nadu, Gujarat. And correct answer is Gujarat. If you have remembered, I explained to you that the kund is an underwater storage system to harvest rainwater in dry regions of Gujarat and Rajasthan. It is the other sources of water and it looks like a saucer with a cup at the center. Now coming question number 4. In our country, water is mainly supplied through. Options are well, pipelines, tube wells. And correct answer is pipelines. In our country, water is mainly supplied through pipelines. Now coming exercise number 2, fill in the blanks. Students, you are given Hale box. In this Hale box, number of words are given. You have to find out correct word and fill in the blanks. First question is, step wells harvest dash water. Options are rest, Karnataka, history, rain, culture, Asoka. And correct answer is rain. So step wells harvest rainwater. I have already explained to you that step wells were constructed to harvest the rainwater and provide water to people and the palaces during the dry months. Now coming question number 2. Community service has always been an important part of Indian dash and dash. And answer is history and culture. Community service has always been an important part of Indian culture, Indian history and culture. People help the poor with money, clothes, food, shelters or looked after the sick, not only in present time, also in olden time. and kings or emperor took many projects for the welfare of community. Now coming question number 3. The dash, a great ruler understood the importance of good roads for the progress of trade. And correct answer is Ashoka. Ashoka, a great ruler, understood the importance of good roads for the progress of trade. Now coming next question. Sisandra were built in dash. And correct answer is Sisandra were built in Karnataka. I have already explained to you. Sisandra is a sources of water. It looks tub-like structure, was built in Karnataka on important road crossing for the comfort of travelers. Now coming question number 5. A sarai is a dash house, and correct answer is sarai is a rest house. Now coming exercise C. State whether true or false. Students, you have to read all sentences carefully and you have to put true in correct statements and false in false statements. First question is, step wells are not common in Gujarat and Rajasthan. It is false statement. Step wells are common in Gujarat and Rajasthan. So you will write false. Now coming question number 2. People are unaware about the benefits of tree plantation. It is also a false statement. People are aware about the benefits of tree plantation. So you will put false. Now coming question number 3. Government and its agencies look after community service in modern times. Yes, it is true statements. Government and its agencies look after community services in modern times, and in earlier times the kings or emperors took up many projects for the benefit of the common people. So you will write true. Now coming question number 4. Water pollution has become a major concern in all parts of India. Yes, it is true statement. Water pollution has become a major concern in all parts of India. So you will put true. Now coming question number 5. Water harvesting is a modern technique. No, it is a false statement. Water harvesting is water harvesting is popular in olden times also, and still it is practiced in modern time. Today's home assignment. Students, you have to write all these exercises in your notebook. That's all for today. Thank you and have a nice day.